So we are now in Travel Town Railroad Museum. Rio Vista right there. We're gonna check out some of the old locomotives that are still here from back in the day, especially these steam ones here. Look at that Southern Pacific. Nice. And you'll see more of down the hangar over there, railroad hangar. You guys will see it's called more locomotives, more machines. Look at this big old wheel. This is the size of a human being. It's taller than me too. Nice, we could go in. Let's do it. If you're wondering where I'm at, this is, whoa. It's kind of like the one that's Lomita at ooh, there's more. There's a lot of steam locomotives out here. Obviously can't move nothing in here, but give you a bigger screenshot right there. Boom. Imagine the heat, the temperature, what they used to go through back then to just move these things. That one has a lot of smaller wheels compared to this one here. And what about these boxcars? Well, not boxcars, but more like passenger coach. That's a huge mosquito. The thing is huge. It's probably the restroom. Damn, pretty long if you think of it. Very long. I mean, I've been on passenger trains before, but this is pretty long. But I wonder how many people it could hold here. Probably like 2 seats, 1, 2, 1, 2 maybe. Yeah, and then the passway here. Yeah, definitely. Let's go to the next one. X1000 or X1000. I don't know how they used to communicate it back then, but they had their codes, I guess. See, the wheels are a lot smaller than this ones here. Different designs, different styles of locomotives, or steam locomotives. I just like saying it like that. Another beauty. I believe this is 4.5 feet wide standard gauge railroad. It's not really the narrow gauge is probably this, from this side here to there. Like this one here, very old school locomotive. Gives me a little bit of the Red Dead Redemption trains, steam trains, sort of this size. They were actually, I think, this kind of style of small cars, small steam locomotives. Yep, they're all nice to put the little names around it. You can hear a little glimpse of it. Smaller than the other ones. And there's passenger cars over there. We got more on this side. I'm starting to get that Oregon style smell. When I used to go to Oregon, volcanic type of pine smell out here. Makes sense why, right? This was a little bit more different. This is close to the one from Red Dead Redemption style, but not really. It's a little bit different because of the wheels. They were sitting down for the small little railroad that's going to be going through right now. Oh yeah, she's actually coming through. She's actually coming through. Good timing, huh? They actually have a steam locomotive, steam train rides. They have like 3 different railroad things going on here, different parks. This is the major railroad museum, but there's like the small one like that one, and there's another one, a different one, like the miniature ones, the really small ones where you could just sit like a seat and it takes you around. Yes, I was checking out, there's a lot of railroad in this area. Look at this rusted one. I could tell this one really was a very antique one. And this one's obviously a different one. This is more of a European style steam locomotive from many movies that I've seen. Oh, you hear that? It's steaming now. 26 steam locomotive. That one looks really cool. I'm gonna give it a light of Western Feather Railroad. I heard of this railroad before. I heard of it before. 4439. Ooh, this is really cool. Oh, this is nice. So 439. And this one is Sharp and Fellows. If you know anything about this one, Sharp and Fellows, let me know. You can watch this video. I never heard of that one. Richfield, I know about Richfield. Let me climb in this one really quick. It's calling my name. The usual same old engine room. They're all similar from the entrance, but we got a boxcar here, Southern Pacific Lines. I did a video about the abandoned bridges. One of the abandoned bridge in I believe it's Bellflower, California. And it's an old bridge where the Southern Pacific used to go through in the Pacific Electric Railroad. I made a video, so I'm gonna post on the description below. If you guys want to watch it and see it for yourself. It's pretty cool bridge. It's still there before he's actually taken out. But anyways, guys, he used to hunt on like that back then, I guess. All right, so we're heading to this end of this area, Union Pacific. I recognize the look of it, the coloring. Authorized personnel only. That's what he's painting them now. Let's see, got the nice crossing right there. Look, they're filming something here. Some kind of movie studio, working on some kind of scene of a movie, I think. More of the steam train. They have a little bridge over there. You can see in the back. That's where you could ride the trains on that steam train. That's just one. And then they have the other mini one that has a replica of an actual boxcar or locomotive, and you could sit in there like per person. I'm sure you've seen those small ones. Well, it's also in that area, so here in the Griffith Park area. So if you ever want to come by and check that out, which I will one day, I'll try to make a video out of it. In and out, let's check the inside. This is definitely Red Dead Redemption Classic #1. That's a beautiful steam. Nice. We got another one in the background. Let me take a picture of that one. I remember doing that in Mexico. That didn't help. The train shakes so bad that all the rocks fall off anyways. Bad me, huh? Definitely Red Dead Redemption machine right here. That's the one. That's the Red Dead Redemption locomotive. I think it is. Golden treasure box. Yeah, nothing in here but very old school. Just keep off. Definitely old school. Oh my god, it makes me want to sneeze. That's how dusty these things really are. I got a machine over there. Ain't much to see in this one, but it's nice to see some old original box cars from back in the day. Old Los Angeles Electric. Leopard, India. There's no way they were here too. Jennifer Love, one of my favorite actresses. Huh. Interesting. Who would have thought they would have been here, huh? And we have this one here. Oh, this is ready to fall apart easily. Some of the old school cable cars before I think the red trolleys, or part of the red trolleys, but it's definitely the old school ones.